Hey guys, MD here. Today we're going to be making blackened fish tacos with my pineapple jalapeno coleslaw. Oh, this is so good. This is so fresh. It's so delicious. You guys have got to give this a try. Let me show you how we do it. All right, to start off with our jalapeno pineapple coleslaw, we're going to use 14 ounces of just the bagged coleslaw mix. I like the one with the red cabbage just because it gives a little bit of color. And now I'm going to go ahead and make the sauce for this. Go ahead and add 1/2 cup of mayo. I'm also going to use a 1/2 cup of pineapple juice here, just from the crushed pineapple, which we're going to add also to it. So instead of the apple cider vinegar that I usually put in my coleslaw, I'm actually going to use the pineapple juice, so it's going to give it that fruity flavor instead. My seasonings, I've got a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of sugar, a teaspoon of black pepper, and that's it. I'm going to add that in there as well. So we'll go ahead and mix that up. I'm also going to add 1/3 cup of crushed pineapple. And now I'm going to go ahead and dice up 2 jalapenos, and I'm going to take the seeds out of them as well. Got the jalapenos all sliced up, we'll add those in. Mix those in real well. Okay, make sure you mix that up real thoroughly, your sauce, and then just go ahead and pour it over the top, drizzle it over the top. And it doesn't seem like very much right now, but it's good. Trust me, this is gonna be a lot of sauce for it, because the cabbage is gonna break down, it's gonna absorb all these flavors. We're gonna let this sit in the fridge for a few hours until we're ready to cook our fish. And then this will have just plenty of bite to it. Nice sweet and spicy slaw to go on top of your blackened fish. Okay, so for the fish we're going to be using tilapia fillets, the boneless, skinless. And for my blackening season, we're going to go with the Old Bay blackened seasoning. So this is a pretty simple recipe, guys. We're just going to thoroughly coat these up real well. When you're blackening fish, make sure you don't skimp on the seasoning. Here we go, just like that. All right, I'm heating up my cast iron skillet. I mean, we're gonna heat this up to the point where we almost ruin the seasoning on this, because you want this just screaming hot. We'll be able to throw some oil on after we're done cooking to re-season it, but we're gonna get to that point where, like I said, we're almost gonna ruin the seasoning if it gets that hot. All right, this thing is ready. Whenever you're gonna blacken fish, unless you have a really good ventilation system, always do it outside, because this is gonna be smoking. Now I'm gonna let this blacken on this side until the fish actually releases from the pan, and it's gonna release its natural oils on there, and it's gonna basically separate from the pan. That's when I know it's ready to flip. We're about at that 3-minute mark here. That's probably that magic number when you wanna flip this. So I'm gonna turn this over and say, oh yeah, look at that, perfect. See how it released? There's no oil on this pan whatsoever either. All right, as you can see, these things are released. That means they're done. We're gonna go ahead and take them off and plate them up. Get our corn tortillas nice and heated up on our grill. Doubling up the tortillas there. Look at that piece of fish. That looks perfect. Put that up in there. Look at that. Oh, that looks gorgeous. Look at that fluffy white meat, that blackened seasoning on there. Pineapple jalapeno coleslaw. Alright guys, time for the best part, the taste test. Topped it off with that pineapple jalapeno coleslaw. That fish is blackened real. Oh man, this looks good. Let's give it a try. Doubled up on the corn tortilla, of course, just to give it that stability, but here we go. That is perfect. There's something about a fish taco that's just so refreshing. I'm getting that spice from the jalapeno coleslaw and then you get the sweetness from the pineapple, and then you get that savory. It's hard to explain the taste you get from the fish. It's just so good. Blackened fish is my favorite. Guys, this is outstanding. Let's go in for round 2 here. This is easily top 5 dishes right here that I've made. So good. Man, that's perfect. You guys have got to give this a try. Fantastic. So easy. Tilapia is so cheap. It's such a mild white fish. Very little fishy flavor. Very good. Very inexpensive in the grocery store as well. So give this a shot, guys. If you like the video, go ahead and hit that like button down below. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button as well. I'd really appreciate to see you guys back. Hit a comment down below. Tell me what you guys thought about it, what your guys' favorite fish recipes are. I'd really like to hear from those. But man, I'm telling you guys, these are so good. I really appreciate y'all stopping by. As always, get your families outdoors, and I'll catch you next time. There we go. More. So good.